Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 14 and today I'll show you how you can apply a tempered glass to your phone. Now I'll mention one thing that I have tried before. I tried using one of these things. They have the most bullshit name of calling themselves a ceramic foil. It's just plastic and it's garbage. They also have some like images of hammering it, but whatever. Oh, there we go. It's plastic. Don't even get this. I have tried to apply one of these, and number one, it just like gets air bubbles from the tiniest speck of particles under it. That it's just a nightmare to apply this. So yeah. That's why I'm gonna be just using a typical tempered glass for this, which I have one right over here. So just take it out. There we go. We have a little sticker. Nice inclusion, to be honest. With the ones that I usually use, I don't get this. So if you're wondering what this is, you just kind of take it out, and if you have any kind of like specks of dust, you kind of use this to get rid of them. Personally, I don't really use that too often. Just a typical microfiber cloth works for me just well enough. But if you're relying and using what you get in a package without actually using anything of your own, like microfiber cloth or anything like that, maybe you don't have one, then you might want to utilize this as well. Now in here you got a wet and dry wipe. So obviously you start with the wet one and then move over to the dry one. But the reason why I prefer to use things like the microfiber cloth is because once I actually, come on, the heck? Can you just like not stretch? Okay, let's just rip it apart. Oh, come on, are you? There we go, finally. So yeah, once I actually unpack this, you can kind of see the absolute size of this this little cloth that you get. It's barely any bigger than just my thumb, or like the fingerprint of a thumb. So yeah, that's why I don't really like these. It's pathetic how small it is. So that's why I will be using a microfiber cloth. Now I would probably recommend doing the same thing if you have one. You could also use one of those, like, if I can find it. It's somewhere here. Oh, where did I toss it? So if you have like one of those little glass wipes, they're just like significantly smaller than this entire rug, but still they would normally work as well. I think I have one right in here. Oh no, this is glued, so no, I'm not gonna open it up. But yeah, so let's continue. So I'm gonna be using this to clean off the display. Now one thing that I like to do once I clean off the display, which this one is pretty pristine just because I didn't use it too much. So once I clean off my display, I like to just keep the cloth over it so no dust can settle on it. And I also keep it, obviously once I am ready to apply the glass, near it, just because I do want to give it like some last little wipes if anything settles on the display. For instance, like right here you can see this tiny speck, so just kind of swipe it away. Now once your display is ready to go, take out your screen protector. Now one thing to mention here, some tempered glasses will have two layers, so you will see that like there is one and then there's like another one, something like this. Not necessarily exactly like this, but you get probably the point. So you have finish, start, or in most cases it's 1 and 2. So you start off with 1 and then move over to the 2. And 1 is usually it's always going to reveal the glue that you're going to then place the tempered glass on. So for instance, like if this is number 1, you remove this, then you flip the glass over and you drop it onto the screen. Then you remove 2, which then exposes the actual tempered glass. Now for me it's just 1, it already exposes the tempered glass on this side, so no need to peel anything from here. But for everybody who might have a different kind of tempered glass which has these two stickers, that's how you do it. So anyway, and there is a little bit more trash here, so I'm gonna again give a couple more passes. You obviously can use this thing if you have one of these, just to wipe off the glue, because it's a sticker basically. So you just stick it, it removes the dust, but I just like to use microfiber cloth. There we go. So once you get it completely clean, you might want to just do this quickly. So there we go. Now the way I apply it is I put it at an angle and I start off with just the top, align it perfectly with the cutouts. So you do have a cutout right here for the microphone. And then while pinching the screen protector along with the bezels of the phone on both sides or both ends, I start lowering it down, making sure that it is symmetrically placed by, well, pinching it, right? And once it's on there, it's just barely laying. You can see that it, there we go, starts gluing itself. But you can lift it up if something didn't go correctly. And you can see it just went perfectly all the way through. I didn't even need to do anything. And it's, yeah, it's really well applied right here. No problems whatsoever. So there we go. If it's not applying itself, obviously, like it did for me, where it just kind of started spreading, just press your finger, slide it like this as an example, and it just should glue itself immediately afterwards. And like I mentioned, if you have some kind of problem where it's not necessarily aligned correctly, you can pry this back up, completely lift it off, and then try to fix it up. It will still apply correctly as long as, again, there is no dust that gets under it. If there is no dust that got under it, you're fine. You can take it off and put it back in and nothing will change. It will still apply itself correctly, fully, all the way around. And another thing that I'll mention, for people that might have maybe messed this up, if you get some kind of speck of dust under it, where it creates this air bubble, if you have tweezers, you could lift up one of the ends to put it at an angle, and using those tweezers, try to grab it. You don't need to worry about scratching the tempered glass from the other side where the glue is, because tweezers are usually so have such a fine point that they won't really do any kind of damage. But if you get the dirt out of there, the speck of dust or whatever kind of trash that got under it, then the display, tempered glass, will glue itself fully to the display. Something that I have done before without any kind of problems. So for the people that did mess it up, that can still be fixed in a way. But anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.